Welcome back to the CryptoExpress YouTube channel. In this video today, we have a very exciting project that we'll be taking a look at going by the name of Plugmate, and we will be taking a look at their seed stage pre-sale with their EVP token. But as always, remember the usual disclaimer before we dive any further today, that I am not a financial advisor and nothing here should be taken as financial advice. Also, check the links down below in the description to Plugmate and how to participate in their pre-sale. So it's time to join the global shift to decentralized, community-owned EV infrastructure. Your investment grows as their network expands. Our world faces a tipping point with greenhouse gas emissions threatening our future. Transportation alone contributes to 23% of CO2 emissions, with 1.2 billion vehicles on the road today, expected to double by 2035. Solutions are urgently needed. EVs present a promising answer, but there's a challenge: a severe shortage of charging infrastructure. Closing this gap would require up to $2.7 trillion by 2030, with a projected demand for 175 million EV chargers worldwide. We're far from that goal. With only 3.9 million public charging stations, the current charger to vehicle ratio is well below the ideal of 1 to 10. Enter Plugmate, the world's first blockchain-powered EV charging infrastructure platform. Plugmate empowers communities to propose, vote, and fund new charging stations. In return, contributors share in the station's revenue. At the core of Plugmate is WeVault, a robust EV charge point management system, CPMS, software already developed and deployed across Australia and beyond. With 3 years of proven success in the EV space through WeVault, Plugmate is building on the foundation and taking EV solutions to Web3. They allow everybody to invest in charging station infrastructure by a transparent and secure decentralized fundraising model, solving the traditional infrastructure funding issue. So again, the charging network challenges that the electric vehicle industry is facing, we of course have the governance and funding approval, capital investment, and their data sharing and monetization. And here is where Plugmate's tech revolution comes in. Their cutting edge blockchain technology to tackle the key challenges in the EV charging industry. So we have the OCPP network compatibility. The Open Charge Point Protocol unlocks compatibility across EV chargers. So again, you can connect any of your EV vehicles for these. Again, data is used as a strategic asset. So using the blockchain secure, transparent, and trustworthy architecture to transform data into a valuable asset, enabling operators and policymakers to make data-driven decisions. We have the democratizing EV charger network growth here. Again, enabling the community and stakeholders to seamlessly participate, deciding where to set up these EV chargers, and the novel crowdfunding investment model here. Plugmate will facilitate EV charging network financing through digital asset-based crowdfunding decentralized finance protocol. So now the EVP token sale campaign here. These are all of the key details you will need. So we have a soft cap of 5 million, a hard cap of 10 million, a total token supply of 800 million tokens. So in this sale is 200 million tokens, which is 25% of the total supply. Remaining tokens post-sale will be deposited to reserves. Again, this started on November 6th and is running until March 6th, 2025. And here, of course, we have the split: 18% in the public, 22% private, 23% seed, and 32% KOL. So again, this is running until March, but I do think they will reach that hard cap before that point, which makes it very important that you do get involved and take action on the pre-sale now while you can get in at the cheapest possible price. Here we can see the stage-wise token sale. So again, buying early in seed will get you some very, very nice returns. We have 108% in a short duration just to the public launch. So getting in at seed now, you're looking at a 108% return just on the base token listing. And of course, as Plugmate grows and takes off, you can see a much larger return here. So we can see in the seed sale, you can get in at this price at 0.0360. And by the time the public sale comes around, it's listing at 0.0750. And here again, we have the tokenomics split. So how do you purchase your EVP tokens? Again, these EVP tokens are the lifeblood of the Plugmate platform. Purchase your tokens in the following simple steps. So first, you simply need to create an account using an email address. Step 2 is verify your email, so you will receive a verification email. Make sure to check your spam folder if it does show up in there. And then of course, step 3 is to simply purchase your tokens. You can buy your EVP tokens using crypto, and they'll be stored and secured in your digital wallet. So taking a glimpse into their timeline and roadmap here. In 2024, of course, we have the team formed, development of the landing page and white paper writing completed. And in Q4 here, we have the token sale. This will then, of course, be concluded and community building begins. Moving on into 2025 will be the application development and integration of advanced charging technologies. Then in Q2 will be the introduction of Polygon and reward programs, the application launch, marketing, and new partnerships and innovations. Q3 will be some crowdfunding to build their charging infrastructure, decentralized community voting, and then in Q4 will be expansion on the charging station network and global partners with leading EV companies. So we already have 2 big partners here of Prima and the Financial Data Science, and featured in some pretty big articles. Of course, you have some blog posts here down below. You can check out the team behind this one and of course read more about everybody in here. 2 advisors here, which again are industry pioneers. So again, their proven track record will really help Plugmate in their strategic direction. And of course, all of the links to the community at the bottom. So here we have the seed sale. So this has been running for just 1 week so far. We can see so far they have raised $1.8 million. So we have a soft cap at 5 mil and a hard cap at 10 million. We can see, of course, from the seed going to the KOO round, that is a 25% price increase. And of course, to that public sale is at 108%. So here we can actually see the seed stage will be ending in just shy of 22 days. So you want to get involved in the seed before the KOO round starts to get in at the lowest possible price. Once you are logged into the dashboard, you will actually get this important notice. So you can actually directly buy the tokens right now simply after that email verification. However, later down the line, you will need to just do your KYC before the token distribution. So again, there's no rush for it. You can get involved and buy your tokens right now. And again, head directly to purchase your tokens at the current price before the price does increase. And additionally, you can have your own referral code, which of course mine will be down below. In the description, we can see my referral code EVPYMZQHU, and this will get you a 1% bonus on your tokens, which is very, very nice. So in the purchase token section here, we simply need to select our wallet address. So this is your Polygon or Matic wallet address, ERC20. And then of course, select the amount you would like to invest. For example, $1,000 here gets us 27,777 EVP tokens. And then you simply select to make your online payment for a gateway. And then of course you will receive. Please note that your tokens will not be distributed to your Matic wallet until all of the rounds of the token sale have been completed, which here we can actually see in the token distribution. So the seed sale, again, currently is the cheapest price to get the token. There's a minimum investment of $100 and the seed price is 0.0360. In the KOO sale, this will increase to 0.0450. Private sale, again, is 0.05 and the public sale is 0.0750. So again, we are looking at a very nice increase from the seed sale all the way up to the public sale here. So the vesting summaries, we have all of them. We get a 2% at listing and then a 6-month cliff. After a 6-month cliff, 3.27% of the remaining tokens for 30 months. And we can expand this here. And this, of course, will show you each release with your token amounts. Of course, we have unlock on listing, lock, next vesting date, and total unlock. And we, of course, can see these monthly releases. And of course, if you do participate in one of the future sales, here we have these other release schedules. But it's very important to get involved at the seed sale if you are interested, because again, this is the cheapest price you can get the tokens, and additionally, you will get the first release. So here we have the token sale set up here with the seed, KOL, private, and public round with these different allocations. Here we then have the other allocations for marketing, team, advisors, founders, and etc. We can actually see here for the team, advisor, and founders, there is a 12-month cliff, so a 1-year cliff before they can sell any tokens, and the vesting is over 36 months with a 2.78% monthly release. Again, this shows that the team behind this one are really focusing on a long-term project, and they have faith that they can deliver over this long time horizon. Again, it really does show the support they have and how committed they are to Plugmate. But I hope you have enjoyed this video here today. Again, make sure you do get involved in the seed sale while you still can at the lowest possible price, and make sure you do use my referral code down below in the description for that extra 1%. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you next time.